Hello, I am Anil Anuberumat, working as a principal product manager for release and deploy products at digital.ai. To make things easier for our release and deploy users, we are providing a live logging feature and live deployment view. Users can monitor and track the versions being deployed, and the new live streaming logging feature from deploy makes troubleshooting more simplified. Think about having a guided step-by-step workflow asking you what you want to do, and then have the tool create all the artifacts needed to orchestrate your release and deploy end to end. In this demo, we will show you how to set up an application in digital.ai deploy that does a Lambda deployment in AWS. Let's dive in. In the following workflow folder, you'll find a list of predefined workflow templates that includes 3 cloud providers, that is AWS, GCP, and Azure. And also we have provided a predefined templates or the workflows for users who are on-prem deployments. To make things easier for our users, we have introduced a new page called Applications Management page, where user can go create applications. So when the user tries to create an application, he is provided with the self-service workflow catalog, which has all the workflows that we spoke about, that is the 3 cloud providers and even on-prem. So this is the stepper view where the workflow is being executed. To set up an application in deploy, once you key in your environment details, you can specify a specific attributes, or you can provide your access information, your application name, package details, various attributes of Lambda setup, and the automation will also check if the connections to AWS exist and sets up the application in deploy. Just to look at the live logging, here you can see there is the details of the live logging, which helps the developer to debug. And as you retry, you can have multiple sets of live logging which you can refer to. You can also see the task being executed and details around the application have been set up. You can also provide specific details in terms of function name, bucket, attributes of a Lambda function. Once you finish your application setup, you can manage and view all the meta information that is required for the application setup. In the live deployments page, you can go and discover a set of applications and view all the applications that are running through the deployment. Even the user can discover a set of applications and versions. Just to show you the deployment, the application that was set up in deploy, you can see the application name has been set up with a package, environment, and the infrastructure. So by leveraging the live logging feature and the stepper view, developers can now streamline their application onboarding onto deploy. Thank you for joining me today for this quick demo on setting up the application in digital.ai deploy for Lambda functions. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please refer to our documentation or reach out to our support team.